Moving on to the purchase module, we can select the purchase module from this button purchase, or we can select it from here. And then to create a purchase order, we can select the purchase management, and inside that purchase order, the purchase orders, we can view all the purchase orders that has been taken place. And by clicking on clear, we can view all the purchase order. This is the purchase order which has been approved. The states of that purchase order can be seen from the outside view itself. So we can see this sale order is approved, and this is just is been given as a request for quotation. So we can also easily filter it out by searching it according to the product name or supplier or references, and easily we can search it out. So to create a purchase order, click on the create button, and then we can see the reference order, which is the sequence and the date and the supplier reference, so and the warehouse details. So we can give a supplier, select a supplier. We can also create a supplier from this purchase order itself by creating it by pressing on create and edit. So over here we can view all the we can get a create option for a supplier, and over here we can add a supplier like and if he is a partner can be defined, and over here this tick shows that it is a supplier, and we can add a contact name like anything, and his supplier. So okay, by giving a default address would be enough. Okay. Likewise, we can add all the details regarding that supplier and save it. So automatically the supplier address and the price list defined for that particular supplier will be given over here. And if there is a source document, we can add the source document. Source documents are usually used if that product is make to order, and if there is a shortage of a certain product, then automatically sales purchase orders are generated. So at that time we can use this source document. And to create a purchase order line, we have to click on the create button, and now to purchase a product, we have to select which product we need, and these are the products which can be purchased. So we select one, quantity 20, and unit of measurement and unit price, the taxes regarding that particular product, and the other details like invoicing details and history regarding that purchase order line. If it has been the stock moves regarding that purchase order line, we can view the stock moves of each product regarding that purchase order line over here. Then we can save it, and over here we can compute the calculations regarding that particular purchase order. So we can view the total amount, and then the other after computing, we can see that invoice is waiting for validation, which is in the accounting module. We can go and select do the later on invoicing for that purchase order, and then on clicking on delivery and invoicing, over here we can give the destination address and the expected date of arrival, and we can give the invoicing and control based on generated invoice based on purchase order lines. If we select based on purchase order lines, each purchase order lines will have to be separately invoiced, and such details can be given over here. And then coming back to the purchase order, we can convert that this quotation to a purchase order. Now this purchase order has been confirmed, and we can view that reception is ready to process. That means in the warehouse we can receive that product, we have purchased it, and purchase order is confirmed, such things. So when we receive a product, we can go to the warehouse and confirm that it has been purchased and it has been stock has been moved into our account. And we can also get a printout of it, request for quotation print reports and purchase order reports. Such things can be obtained, and all the tax related to that purchase order will be shown over here. And these are the basic things that we can this is the way we can generate a purchase order.